reinvite our chartists to find out what their chartbuster ideas are. Kunal, Bothra are joining in. And Kunal, take us through your outlook then in terms of your chartbuster stock idea.
So it's on Godrej Properties. We were discussing how the real estate index and the real estate stocks have performed in the last few days, as well as over the last few weeks. And the charts for Goodrej Properties are very intriguing because the stock is at a multi-month breakout. Now the pattern which the stock has formed is also very, very strong. This is what we classically call it as a bullish flag kind of a formation, where the stock took resistance at the 1700 mark. So you can see multiple times the stock tried to come closer to the 1700 odd levels. We saw the stock taking resistance. The way in which the stock has entered into the rally, look at this as a multi-year correction or multi-month correction for Goodrej Properties, where the stock corrected more than 50% from 2700 highs to almost at a point where the stock was on the verge of breaking below the 1000 levels. So after such a kind of a sharp fall, the first leg of rally has been quite strong. The stock went to 3 months of consolidation. Just about in the last couple of days, the stock has confirmed a breakout of this bullish flag formation above the 1700 mark, which I believe could now act as a major support for the stock price. So very bullish on the stock price, expecting this to get into a breakout. Ideally for flag formations, the base as well as the height, the difference between these two levels forms the target of the breakout. And if we expect the similar kind of a pattern to play out, then we could be looking at Goodrej Properties to maybe come back closer to 2400, 2450 mark over the very near term.
Right. And Kunal, what stocks are you recommending to trade right now?
So two buy calls. The first one is about Poonawalla FinCorp, something which we discussed in the morning. Looks quite strong. Again, the stock has done pretty well for itself at the start of the day today. So would revise the targets higher to 400 and stop loss could be trailed higher to 345, maybe 350 levels, looking at the current price for Poonawalla. And the second would be about PNB, again bullish on the PSU banking stock, flagging a target of 82 on a very short-term basis, and stop loss remains at 70.
All right, thanks very much for running us through all of your top stock recommendations and chartbuster idea. Let's get a move on.